Going to the dentist. Press the space bar. We need to brush our teeth every day. If we don't, our teeth get decayed. We want them shiny clean. We need a toothbrush and toothpaste to brush our teeth, and dental floss to prevent cavities. Let's brush our teeth. Toothbrush, toothpaste, put the toothpaste on your toothbrush. Brush your teeth. Rinse the toothpaste out of your mouth with water. Rinse out your toothbrush. Clean teeth. You have a dentist appointment. Let's go to the dentist. Buckle your seatbelt. Drive to the dentist. Park the car. Dentist office. Go inside. Go up to the front desk. Receptionist. Sign-in sheet. Sign your name on the sign-in sheet. Patient forms. Chairs in the waiting area. Fill out the patient forms. Waiting room. Playroom. Dental hygienist will take you to the treatment room. Go inside. Treatment room. Examination chairs. Sit on the chair. Leaded apron. Put on the apron. X-ray machine. Bite wing blocker. Bite wing. A bite wing goes into your mouth. The dental hygienist shows you how. The dental hygienist shows you how. You hold it with your teeth. It doesn't hurt. Hold still to take an X-ray. The X-ray takes a picture of your teeth. Panoramic X-ray machine. You get to stand up for this X-ray. This is fun. X-rays. The dentist looks at the X-ray pictures. The X-rays will show if you have any cavities. A cavity is a decayed tooth. Cavities need to be fixed with fillings. Gloves. The dental hygienist puts on gloves. Mask. The dental hygienist wears a mask. Light. Bib. Put on the bib. The bib will keep your clothes clean. Sunglasses. Put on the sunglasses. The sunglasses will keep the light out of your eyes. Open your mouth. The dental hygienist wants to look at your mouth. Cleaning tools. Saliva suction. It's also called Mr. Thirsty. It's like a tiny vacuum. It sucks the spit out of your mouth. Tooth scrubber cleans your teeth. Cleaning teeth. Toothpaste is put on the tooth scrubber. Mr. Thirsty sucks out your spit. Water squirter rinses out your mouth. Dental floss. Flossing. The dental floss goes between your teeth. Fluoride trays. Fluoride treatment. Bite down on the fluoride tray. Sink. Cup of water. Swish the water in your mouth. Spit the water out in the sink. The hygienist will show you how to brush your teeth. Dentist. Dental tools. Scraping teeth. Examining your teeth. The dentist checks your teeth for cavities. Hooray, no cavities. Treasure box. Pick out a prize. Good patient stickers. Stickers. Pick out a sticker. Silly. Leaving the dentist. Buckle your seatbelt. Driving home. Home again. Playing dentist. Practice brushing your teeth. Clean teeth.